everyone, welcome back to the channel. The first Temu haul I've done in a while. Been a bit of a stressful Temu order this one. It arrived in Madrid, done it with about a week, done it with in Alicante about a week, then it's also arrived in in Benidorm, been there ages. They say, for about a week, they say it were delivered here, which it weren't, because Mike were in all day the other day. Gets not the option to get delivered to a shop, so I selected one I want it to go to. Uno, ever. Then it finally comes up, oh, it's been took to the shop. We go to that shop this morning, shop shut, so we just literally come back from the shop again, because we thought like we'd head back home, rest a bit, then go back, they're open. It is quite a big parcel. I don't know whether the camera will do it justice, but like, it is huge. I can't really remember half the stuff I ordered.
You can't see it now, Marcus.
I don't know how I'm going to open this, because it is like a massive parcel.
Move that back on there.
Yeah, I've got...
Also, there's a few rips in the...
Yeah, there's a few rips in the packaging, so if anything is damaged, that...
Oh, Marcus, all this is your armpit.
Yeah, sorry. And, yes, that's it, open. So first out the box is a bag, which is, if I can open it, a belated Mother's Day gift to Susan. You beautiful mum, Scooter Sue. It is a e-badge, similar to what I've got. They are brilliant, guys. You can put vids on them, pictures on them, everything. So happy belated Mother's Day, Mum. Another bag that says Scronson. I think that says Scronson. Yeah, Scronson cocktail tools. Now, of course, Barker's Cocktail Bar will be reopening soon, but the weather in Benidorm lately, as you've probably seen by Mike's video the other day where we were moaning about it, it's been a bit shit.
28 degrees today.
28 degrees, Mike's seen, because he has gone out filming this morning, but rumour has it, guys, we are due thunderstorms. So, let's watch in my little gift bag. Out is a mixing spoon. Mix your cocktails.
Very nice.
I am trying to make
and it's got a fork as well.
Oh,
on the
it's got a fork.
So
that's
you know we can make
fork useful. So I am trying to make Barkus a bit more professional. I've got a metal straw.
Just one?
I could possibly have more. I can't remember what the kit had in it, like.
It is metal.
I've got a crusher. So, like, you can crush stuff.
Your ice?
Yeah. Yeah, it is a nice crusher, right? That's what it is. Cheers, Dad. Glad you have some knowledge. Some tongs. Slightly bent tongs. But
picking up the ice.
Tongs.
Yeah, but probably like that to put them in the bag, maybe.
Yeah. Another metal straw.
Okay.
Thank you, Dad. God's sake, stuff's buried in there. and some bottle pourers, which you see them in the bars, they like have them in the bottle, and you cannot make it look nicer when you're pouring alcohol. I think there may be another one in there, is there? Oh, and a mixing jug, right, measuring jug,
Measuring jug.
measure your alcohol, which
Not that he ever does,
I never do.
but it's double-ended, so we have big measures.
We always have big measures.
I get to put
Next
I
up
need two
is
lots of
a
straws.
blue, well, a USB chargeable PS3 controller charger.
Solar charge.
PS5 controller charger, sorry guys. So I've seen these advertised a lot. You can just like charge them, it's like a power bank, and you can continue playing while like using your controller. Great little thing. Next up is a box. And we have got some cocktail recipes. Yummy. Gonna try and make some more interesting cocktails. And they do look like very fancy. Proper cocktail style
100
cards.
recipes.
100 recipes. So hopefully be making some more sort of professional cocktails, hopefully,
Very nice.
it says.
Do you want them back in this box?
No.
No.
Next up is a shirt. The only clothing item I've got in this parcel. Now, it is a shirt I bought for my Mike, but if he don't like it, then I don't know that. It is, of course, an Alfida St. Pet shirt with all the gang under. You got Bomber, Wayne, Neville, Dennis, Barry, Oz.
Moxie don't look
Yeah,
like
Moxie. Not really, not the best looking shirt, is it? They don't really look like each other, but there are that.
Thank you. Oh God, that's a
Hope
thick
you're
shirt,
not
isn't
kidding.
it?
Yeah, it'll be good when it's freezing. He's gonna try it on. While he's doing that, I'm gonna pick up the unboxing because I still have more stuff. What I'll do is I'll leave the biggest thing till last. Next up is another box, I believe. This may be the sort of fragile stuff in the parcel which I'm worried about. I'm kind of thinking I hope it don't get damaged. Oh, we have got some polystyrene.
Nowhere near, mate.
Shit. Okay. So yeah, it don't fit my mic, but I have a feeling I've got a friend who likes Alfida St. Pet, so maybe it could go away for his birthday, which, funnily enough, guys, is the same day as my birthday. Weird. So, this is something I've been looking forward to. It is a glass straw holder. So, of course, you'll put your straws in there, then it's just like a straw dispenser, put it up, get a straw for your drink. Very smart, guys. Bit dirty like, but I mean, obviously wash it before I use it. Slowly just try to slide that back into the box now. Shit. The lid's not going back on. Oh shit.
I'm a bit disappointed in that, Marcus.
Yeah, Mike's disappointed in his shirt. He thought it would fit. Hey, I've got something else in here as well. Another little tiny box. Which is... Oh yeah, I know what this is.
What's it?
It's a present I've got for a good friend of mine called Santos, who uses the same camera I use, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It is basically like the screen protector I've got for mine. Just put it on, flip it open, and when you're filming on a hot summer's day,
Do they do them
you
for
don't
phones?
get glare. I'm not too sure. I don't think
do
so,
one.
but I mean, if they'd done something like that for a phone, like decide to fit like all your different phones, because I mean, of course you've got like the iPhone latest models and they're pretty big sizes. Like, be good, wouldn't it? Right, so I've put that back in its bag and I've put it back in the little bag. Then I'll put it in my pocket so when I see Santos, oh yeah, I'll put it in the box. Then I'll put a little sort of crazy marker sticker on it. So yeah, I know he's been wanting one for a while, so I said I'd buy him one as a present because he is a real nice lad. Now finally, the biggest is the last.
Okay.
Is it?
Is it? I don't know how I'm going to open this actually.
It's over there.
Oh, no, it ain't, guys. No, it ain't. We have got something else. Another smallish item. Yeah, I know. So I have got some more of your bottle pourers as well, for when I am pouring like drinks, alcohol, so it looks fancier.
How many of them you got?
I've got 4. I've got 4. So
that's it.
Dad's gonna open this big box for us now. I'm actually quite surprised at how Temu has actually sort of packaged this next item, the final item, guys. Well, whether it were Temu or the sender who's packaged it, maybe. Like, because I'm not sure if we've seen on Temu you do get a lot of traders as well. Which is irritating. Because like, some stuff will be coming from an actual Temu warehouse, some stuff's coming from like a seller.
Oh no, it's done first.
Yeah, but I'm holding
Hold
it
the
so you don't
Don't
drop it.
force it because you don't know how it's going to be packed in there.
So guys, we have got some nice cocktail glasses. Some sort of bubble
And they all
cocktail
look
glasses. They all look good. We've
Just
got
checking.
4 of them. They do look nice.
They're not damaged
Not
in any way.
damaged. They do look nice. I think they will be a lot better than using the odd glasses that we use at the moment when I'm doing my cocktail feeds.
How much cocktail are you going to get in there though? That's the problem.
Yeah, but I didn't think of that
You would
actually.
get quite a
You
bit.
probably
in there.
get quite a bit
Get
in
loads.
there. So, but
Yeah, but
That's the fun of the
you'll
video,
have ice in
getting
there,
pissed.
like.
So yeah. All in all, I'm pretty pleased with everything I've ordered. Obviously, apart from like the t-shirt I ordered for Mad Mike, that's kinda not really worked out, but yeah, it's not been a bad Temu order.
Except there's like polystyrene.
Yeah,
bits
there's
everywhere.
polystyrene bits everywhere off like my straw holder and my glasses, which is annoying, but yeah. Hit the like, guys, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Adios.